we start today's episode, this is going to be a quick apology, probably the first apology video that we've had. And it's because last week we had a video as a tribute for the 4th of July where we had our pit bike couches. We went downtown, and well, some people were posting that we're a political channel because we had, you know, that one video where we had a Trump flag. And it hurts, and I would like to apologize
to absolutely nobody. The double champ does what the he wants.
On a serious note, guys, this is not a political channel. This is a pit bike channel. The flag was there for just attention, for laughs, to get a reaction. If I had any other flag that would have gotten attention, I would have put it up. I don't know, North Korea, whatever it was, I would have put it up. So that's what that is. But anyways, guys, let's get into this video. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we have an interesting project going on. You guys have already seen on our channel the pit bike couch. So we got these pit bike couches, and the chairs came with the legs, which have the spinning wheels. This right there is what came with my couch, and I basically just took off the mounts. If you guys haven't seen, that's the mounts that was on it, and it was just like riveted on each side. That's kind of what held that leg piece pretty much to the couch. By the way, if you guys want to see a video of how we mounted these couches, link will be in the video right above. But now that you guys have seen the pit bike couch in all its glory, it's pretty awesome, guys. And if you haven't seen our last video where we go downtown with these things and look ridiculous, video will be right above. You guys seen the pit bike couch, and we got the legs, and I thought to myself, what can I do with the legs? I was like, you know what, it'd be a great idea if I mount them right there and use them as wheels. This might be the stupidest idea yet, but it's an idea that has been in my head and it has not been out. So we're gonna do it today. Let's get started. All right, we've already started with a small drill bit. Drilled a hole in here, drilled a hole there. There's this rod that runs through, so we drilled a little higher so that it's not in the way of the rod. So we'll keep drilling into this and go from there. Alright, supposedly this should work by the measurement, but to me it doesn't look like it's that fat, so we'll see. Put it on the bike real quick and find out. Would you look at that? It's not perfect, obviously. There's a lot of space because this guy doesn't really have that much adjustment, so now I gotta put it up to the bike, kind of find the spacers that I need for this. There's like no space in between, like almost perfect. Probably just gonna throw some washers in there and call her good. She is all done. Look at that. Looks glorious. Start her up, dude. Sheesh. All right, Slavic, let's see how this goes. Shut up. Get out of here, idiot. That looks so goofy. It's so sketchy. It's not bad going straight. Turning is sketchy. It looks so goofy when you're driving it, dude. It feels goofy. Everything is slanted, so if you're trying to turn one way, you have to fight it even more.
It's like one of those reverse bicycles. It's like you have to lean right to turn left. Super weird. Check out this damage.
Hey! Wheel, what the heck? 2 wheels? What is going on here? I engineered this to perfection.
Master engineer, dude. Look at that, you don't even need a stand. And that's how you go straight. Remember, there's no front brakes. Dude, you're wasting fuel. That's like almost $6 a gallon. What are you doing, man?
This shit sucks, Slavic.
This ain't rocket science.
Kinda is, dude.
3 wheels down, 2 more to go. We're down to 1 wheel. I thought you wanted to jump it, Peter.
Can't ride it, dude.
You're down to 1 wheel now. I think you're down to no. No, you still got 1 wheel.
Bastard.
This stupid couch, dude, is in the way. Dude, you owe me a new couch. Yeah, the couch is definitely in the way. Let's take it off. Dude, you know what would be not bad? If we break the wheels off and just grind it on the wood.
That'll beat your ass. Getting marks all over his driveway.
Dude, how is he riding it better than I am? What the hell? You broke them all.
We officially lost all wheels.
All wheels are gone. Not falling, dude.
We're gonna pull this here couch off because we have a good feeling that it's because the couch is in the way that this isn't working that well.
So it actually does not look bad, black and white. Solid. Haven't seen our bikes without seats on them for a long time. I don't think it's any better. Yo, when'd you get so good at that?
Dude, that helps.
Does it? It's the fear. It's the fear of falling down.
How is that gonna keep going?
Why is it looking so much? Fuels. These gas prices are like $100 right here, you lost.
Yeah, I'll need to hit the subscribe button more so we can afford these gas prices.
Dude, for real.
All right, in conclusion, it's safe to say, I think it's a bust. Apparently you can't put wheels like this on a dirt bike. Who would have known?
Who would have thought, dude?
I mean, it makes perfect engineering sense. If you don't know, I went to college and I got an engineering degree.
Stop the cap.
But yeah, this didn't work. We lost all of our wheels and there's like no way of turning. So if you plan on doing this at home, I strongly suggest don't. And you might hurt yourself like Peter. All right, well, that's gonna be an end for this video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, don't do this. You might screw up your dirt bike. If you guys aren't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and like the video, share it with your friends. with those notifications on, and don't forget to follow us on our other social media platforms. See you guys.
Wow!